Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. In this series, we'll practice real daily conversations that you can use when traveling. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's improve your English together. Let's get started. Good evening, welcome to Sunset Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a double room under the name Sasa.
Let me check. Yes, here it is. May I have your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Your room is 405 on the 4th floor. Breakfast is included from 7 to 10 a.m.
Great. Is Wi-Fi available in the room?
Yes, just enter your room number as the password.
Perfect. Could I also get a wake-up call at 6 a.m.?
Of course. Enjoy your stay.
Good morning. Table for one?
Yes, just one, please.
This way, please. Here's our breakfast menu.
Thank you. Do you serve coffee?
Yes, we have black coffee, cappuccino, and latte.
I'll take a cappuccino, please, and the American breakfast set.
Eggs are included. How would you like them?
Scrambled, please.
Any juice? Orange, apple, or pineapple?
Orange juice, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast. Good morning. Are you checking out today?
Yes, I am. Room 405.
May I have your key card, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Did you take anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Perfect. Your total bill is $150. Will you pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
All right. Here's your receipt. Would you like us to call a taxi?
Yes, please. My flight is this afternoon.
The taxi will arrive in 5 minutes.
Thank you for your service.
It's our pleasure. Safe travels.
Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass and passport?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Your seat is 18A, a window seat.
Wonderful. Is the flight on time?
Yes, boarding has started. Please proceed to gate 12.
Can I bring this backpack and a small suitcase?
Yes, place the suitcase in the overhead bin and the backpack under the seat.
Thank you. Where is gate 12?
Straight ahead, then turn right.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your flight.
Hello. Where are you going?
To the Grand Central Hotel, downtown. How much is it?
Around $30, depending on traffic.
Okay, do you accept credit cards?
Yes. Please put your luggage in the trunk.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 40 minutes.
All right, let's go.
Sure. Welcome aboard.
Thank you for watching. I hope today's lesson helps you in real-life situations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Easy Learning English, and see you in the next lesson.